Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you media query, how you can use media query to make a responsive website. But before working on practically and media query, we need to know what is responsive web design. Responsive web design makes your web page look good on all devices. Responsive web design uses only HTML and CSS. Responsive web design is not a programming language or a JavaScript. So here is the designing for best experience all devices. So here is the desktop version, and this is a tablet version, and this is a mobile version. Which method are used inside the media query or make a responsive website? So the first one is a set the viewport or scale, use width as a posit to fixed media queries, different styling with different devices screen, RAM units over pixel, and also mobile first method. So let me give you an example on media query, how you can use media query practically. So I have a page, I'll leave this one start, right, and remove this one. So I open this one on the live server. I will create a more than, first I'm going to write the few things that help us to wide screen. I'm going to write the div, assign the ID wide screen. Inside there I'm going to add h1. I'm going to teach you how you can use media query for different screen sizes on your web page. So I'm going to write wide screen. The second one I'm going to write the normal. So I just change the normal, and this will be also normal, right? And third one will be tablet, and this will be right. Use the same thing. I'm gonna add that a smartphone, and this will be smartphone, right? Final one will be white, not white, landscape. So landscape. So those are text. We will use simple I'm going to use simple styling. So I'm going to use background will be CCC, text align will be center, and padding top will be 100 pixel, and I'm going to use font family will be Arial. So right, and also I'm going to add I want to hide all of the h1 tag text, so I'm going to use display none. When I want to resize my screen, then I want to display the particular screen text on particular screen size. But before working on media query, I'm going to show you a few things. So you need to open your Google Chrome and go to three dots, go to more developer tools, and find out developer tools, right? Once you open that, then you are able to see the mobile screen size has been appeared on there, right? This is a normal and this is a mobile screen size. First I'm gonna comment that, and so those are design different mobile screen sizes. When you will click on any device, any mobile device, this is a width and this is a height, right? This is width and this is a height. And when you will check out the tablet, just a minute, this will So tablet size is a 540 pixel and height will be 720 pixel, and this is a normal. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so you can check out the different styling, different size of screen on there. And also another thing is, you will also increase or decrease the size of the browser. You will get the particular size on particular time, right? So let me give you an example on each screen size. So I'm going to use display none. Then I'm going to write the smartphone, right? The smartphone, I'm going to show you. I open Google Developer Tool. So every mobile phone size is a less than 500, right? As you can see, for 390, 360, under 500, right? This is a tablet. So we need to assign the, first I'm going to use smartphone under 500 pixel. So you need to use @media parenthesis. Inside there you need to assign the size, which size you will assign on there to display the particular style on this device. So I'm going to use max width, and I'm going to use 500 pixel. Use curly brackets, and I'm going to select the body tag, and I'm going to change the background color will be red. So first save that, as you can see. So when you will check out the any device which have under 500, this is a call mobile device, and you are able to see the background color has been changed now. I want to display the H1 tag, I'm in text, so I'm going to use smartphone. This is my ID. Inside the ID have a heading tag, so I'm going to use display block, and also I'm going to use text white on there, right? So sir, as you can see. So this is the first, I'm gonna close this, and I'm going to show you one by one. As you can see, this is a smartphone screen size, right? When you will change the particular position or particular size, it will hide the text and also background color. Now let's talk about the min width. Min width is the opposite of the max width. First I'm going to save that, as you can see. So this is a call opposite of max width. When you will hit the 500, then you will able to see gray background color, right? As you can see, 501, as you can see, guys. So I've used 501, means this is a size of the screen. When it will change the position or change the 501 pixel, it will display the red color and smartphone. This is a call min width, but mostly users using max width on there. So I'm going to use max width 500 pixel, right? Then the next thing is a tablet. So I'm going to use tablet, and I'm going to use media max width. The tablet default size is a 760 pixel. So I'm going to use body background color will be blue, and also I will display the H1 tag text. So I'm able to see the tablet and also smartphone text on the particular screen size. I mean different sizes of the browser. The first one is the 500. I'm able to see the tablet, I'm able to see the smartphone, and more than 768 pixel have a tablet, as you can see. So if you want to display the different styling with different screen sizes, so you need to use you need to assign the range. So I'm going to use parentheses. I need to use min or width, and the min width is above of the 500 pixels. So I need to use 501 pixel and max width 768 pixels. So this color will apply only on max width above 501 pixel and below 760 pixels. So first save that. Let's see. This is red, and when you will move the 501, it's display the tablet. It's also display the tablet. When you will hit the 768 pixel, it will hide, right, as you can see. Then the next thing, you have a normal. So I'm going to use normal. So I call media, so I need to use min width 769 pixel and max width will be 1100 pixel. I need to use background will be, I need to use body. Background will be black, not green. And I'm going to select the normal ID H1 and display it. Block. When it will hit the 769, it display the green screen, as you can see. It will also display when you will hit the 1100 pixel, right, as you can see. So 769 to 1100 have a green background, and 501 to 768 have a blue background, and then the hit the less than of the 501, it will display the red color or red background color. Let's talk about the wide screen. So I write the wide screen, and I'm going to use media, and I need to just use min width. I don't need to assign the range on there. I use 1101 pixel above of the max width, like this one. So I call body, background will be black, and also I'm going to add the wide screen H1. I'm going to use display block. When you will hit the 1101, it will display the background color will be black, and also, as you can see, so you will see the different styling with different screen size. So it will move on any wide screen which have different monitors. So this is a call wide screen. So also you can check out then on there on this time. So I call developer tool, select that. So this is a mobile phone, smartphone, also smartphone, and iPad. This is a normal, this is a tablet, this is a normal screen size, this is a tablet, and this is a smartphone, right? So you can check out the different styling of different size on there, and this is a wide screen, right? Last thing I'm going to show you. So this is a height, this is a width, this is the width, and this is the height. When you will change it to landscape, it will change the background color and also tablet. So you can use max height. So I call landscape, I call media, and I'm just a minute. I just need to use the URL. Max height will be 500 pixel. So I want to use that body background will be orange. So first of all, let's see. As you can see, I will create a website using media query on later. This time you just need to know how you can use that, right? And other important thing on there have a, when you will, just a minute, I'm gonna close this one. So if you want to make a separate file, I just tell you how you can use media query in a single page or single file, but mostly users using styling with different separate file. So I'm going to show you how you can use the different style with different screen size using separate file. So I have a style.css. Inside there I'm going to use body color will be, and background will be what I call yellow, right? I want to display this one style when the screen size will move on the 768 pixel. Otherwise this file is not loaded on my page. So you can use the same thing which are used to make a style, I mean include the style. So I call it style.css, but you need to use the media attribute to assign the range, which range you will assign on there to load this one file. I call screen and parenthesis, I call max width 768 pixel. When our screen size will hit 768 pixel, then this file or this style sheet will work. So let's see. As you can see, so this is the usage of media query. I hope you are understood as well. So thank you, have a nice day. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you EM and also RAM units in CSS3. Mostly users using units inside the project. So I'm going to teach you the difference between EM and also RAM units in CSS3. So I have a div, and inside the div have a h3 and paragraph. So this is the call parent of the h3 and h2, right? I'm going to write the comment on there, parent, and those are childs, right? This is a child and also another have a child. First we're going to discuss all about the RAM EM units. First I'm going to save that and I'm going to open my browser, and I'm going to show you the default browser font size is paragraph. I'm going to click on that. So the default paragraph font size is a 1 EM. 1 EM stands for 16 pixel, right? The default you will assign the 1 EM, it means 16 pixel of the paragraph font size. When I click on the H3 tag, you will able to see the font size is 1.70 M. If you check out the pixel, you need to click on computed and go down below. As you can see, this is a different size of the paragraph. So the first one is the 18.72 pixel, but you can manage it with the help of CSS. I'm going to show you the practically example on EM and also RAM unit. So I go to style.css and I'm going to select the box one. This is a parent, so I assign the font size on there 20 pixel. When I assign the 20 pixel, then the box 1 means heading 1 and also paragraph text will be changed. So save, and also you will able to see the RAM units also change. So first I'm going to refer that and I'm going to select the paragraph, click to computed. As you can see, font size is a 20 pixel, but before assigning the value on the parent, the default font size is a 16 pixel, right? If you change that, for example 25 pixel, I use 30 pixel, save. As you can see, I click to style. This is a default 1 EM. 1 EM stands for 30 pixel on this time, because I have assigned 30 pixel on my parent div. This is the parent and those are childs, right? So where it is, I click on the heading 2. As you can see, 1.70 EM. I click on the computed. As you can see, 35.1. If you calculate them, so I click write the my size is 13 pixel. Just a minute. 1.70 EM. As you can see, 13.1 pixel of the paragraph font size, right? So this is a working process of the EM. Let's talk about the paragraph. So I call H2. I assign the size, font size will be 1.5 EM. Save, and let's see. I click on font size 1.5 EM, and you will able to see the font size is a 45 pixel. It's getting value from there. This is a parent and this is a child. When you will calculate them, I call 13 divided by 1.5, you will get the 45 pixel. So you have seen on there, as you can see, font size is a 45 pixel of the paragraph, right? So it get the value from the parent. So mostly users using the RAM units. Why? Because you will facing the issue to using M unit inside the project. I'm going to show you the demo of the problem on there. So I write the UL li tag, and I'm going to write time 3, and first I'm going to save that, and I'm going to show you 3 values, 3 bullets, and I call again UL li curly brackets time 3, save. So those are default values or default font size. When I will assign the value on there, then you will able to see changes will apply on both of the UL tags or li tags inside the li tags. So I call box 1 UL. I'm going to write the font size will be 1.2 EM. So as you can see, so those are normal and those are bigger. So I open my tool and click to this one, and the first one, this is the parent, 1.2 EM. When I click on the second one, you will able to see the different size of this one. I'm going to click to compute it. The font size is a 43.2 pixel. If you click on the first one, 36 pixel. Here is a problem on there. So this is a parent. Inside the parent have a default size which I have assigned on there, 1.2 EM. The default size is a 36 pixel, but when you will use the child value, then the particular child value will be changed now. I click on that. As you can see, 43.2 pixel. If you write another UL and li, then you will able to see those are also bigger before those values. So this is normal, this is a bigger, and also this also bigger. So I just assigned the one time value on there, 1.2 EM on UL tag. So I just want to show you how the EM work on there, and here is a problem on there. And other problem on EM, I click to settings and I go to appearance. So this is my normal browser size, medium. When you will change it, but inside your project, when you have used the EM, it doesn't affect on your project. If you increase or decrease the size of the browser, it doesn't appear or doesn't affect on your project, right? So I hope you are understood as well all about EM. Let's talk about the RAM. So I coming out, just a minute. Just a minute guys, I'm gonna show you. Comment. And RAM is a very helpful for us and very useful. You can use the RAM unit. I'm going to show you the usage of RAM units. I'll either assign the same thing, ID box 1 and H3 and box 1 paragraph lorem text. So when you will use the RAM, it will find the root font value. Our root font value is a 16 pixel, right? Our HTML document, the default value or default font size is a 16 pixel, right? I'm going to show you the working process on the RAM unit. So I call box 1 H3 tag and I call font size will be 2.3 EM, 3.3 RAM. Save. Okay, just a minute. I think I need to. Just a minute. I need to check out the settings that I have used on there. So I call medium, right? It's effect on there when you will use RAM. So I click to computed and click to H heading tag 2.3 RAM, right? So when you will calculate that, you will able to see 36.8. Let's calculate that. So I call 2.3 divide by multiple by 16 pixel. As you can see, 16 by 8 pixel. The default browser size is a 16 pixel. Font size is a 16 pixel, right? When you will use the RAM, for example 1 RAM, then the particular value will change depend on your root value. 1 EM means 16 pixel, 2 EM 2 RAM, sorry, right? So let's work on the paragraph. I use font size will be 1.5 RAM. So let's see. I click on this one, 24 pixel. As you can see, I click to styles, 1.3 RAM, and our pixel is 24 pixel. Let's calculate that. So 1.6. What is the size I have used on there? 1.5. 1.5 divided by 16, 24 pixel, right? So you can use the RAM that help us to manage your content with the help of root font size. If you want to change the root size font, you can do that. So default HTML font size is 16 pixel, but I changed that. I use font size will be 10 pixel. Then you will able to see changes will apply all of the content inside our project. So save. Let's see. As you can see, first I'm going to show you the changes on the box 1. Font size is a 23 pixel. I have assigned the value 2.3 RAM 2.3 divided by 10, 23 pixel. As you can see, I have seen on there. As you can see, if you click on the paragraph, you will able to see the 15 pixel. If you calculate that, 1.5 divided by 10, 15 pixel, right? So mostly users using RAM units, and you can also use the RAM units inside the project. So I just show you the difference between the RAM units and also M units. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna teach you VH, viewport height, and VW means viewport width. So I write the command. I'm going to show you VH mean stand for viewport height, and VW mean stand for viewport width. Mostly users using viewport height VH to make a landing page. I'm going to teach you how you can use VH inside your project to make a landing page. So let's get started, work on that. So I write the header tag, and inside the header tag I'm going to write the h3 to write the some content, and lorem text, anchor link, and assign the class btn. I'm going to use read more, right? First save that, and I reset all the properties. I'm going to use padding 0 pixel, margin also 0 pixel, box sizing will be 0, right? And I'm going to target the body. I just designed the simple font family will be, right? So let's target the header tag, right? This one tag. So I call header, and inside the header, first I'm going to write the background color will be dark, and I'm going to use color will be white, text align will be center, right? First I'm going to save that, and let's output of this one. As you can see, so when I will use height 100%, it doesn't affect on my page, right? When I will increase the content, then you will able to see the background color will appear. It's depend on my content, right? But I want to display the background color in the whole body area. So in case you will use the background color inside the whole body section, you need to use the height VH and assign the size. First I'm going to assign the size 100. VH means complete browser body. First save that, and then you will able to see the whole body has been appeared with background color. If you decrease the size VH, you will able to see the half of the background color has been appeared inside your page, right? And this is a call VH, viewport height. Let's talk about the VW. So I just use V50 VW. This is a call width. So as you can see, but mostly user doesn't use the VH, this one width. Mostly users using VH to make a landing page. I'm gonna teach you how you can use VH to make a responsive landing page. I will use a little bit media query, then you will able to see the page will appear responsive with different devices. So I'm gonna cut that, save, right? And inside there I'm gonna increase the size 100, and I have an image inside my page, as you can see, so I will include the image on there. So img.jpg, right? This is the image, as you can see. So let's fix this one image. So I'm going to use no repeat, and I'm going to use center and cover, so it will appear on the center, as you can see, on the browser. If you decrease or increase the size of the browser, it only appear inside the body section. When you will write any content outside of the header, then the content will appear after this one image. I'm going to teach you everything step by step, as you can see. Once you add that, then I'm gonna write the padding all side to RAM, and also I'm gonna add the padding top will be 13 RAM to display the content on the below, as you can see. And other thing is I'm gonna add the header h3, so I'm gonna use font size will be 3 RAM. You know all about the RAM. And then I'm gonna target the header paragraph, and I'm gonna use margin top and bottom 1 RAM, left and right 0 RAM. I just use 0. So let's see. Perfect, as you can see. Then I'm gonna add the this one class, and I write the display inline block. I will make a button, text decoration will be none, and I'm gonna use color will be white, not white dark, and padding will be 0.75 RAM, top and bottom 2 RAM, left and right. So save, let's see. Right, just a minute, I'm going to check my recording. Yes. Then I'm going to add the background color will be white inside my button. So as you can see, right. So when you will check it, first I'm going to write the other content. So I'm going to show you outside of the header. I'm going to create a section, write the h3 about me and lorem text. So right, as you can see. Then I'm going to target the section to make a space inside the left and right side, and also top and bottom. I'm going to use padding all side to RAM, right. When you will check it with the Chrome tool with different devices, just a minute, so it's appear perfectly, but we will use the media query. I'm going to show you, as you can see. Right, so perfect. Okay, let's talk about how we can display the menus, right? So I write the nav uli anchor link, and I'm going to write the home. This will be services, and this will be about, and this will be contact. First have that, let's see output of this one. So those menus appear top of the image. Let's fix this one issue. So I go to where I will use after the button tag, not after the button tag, before the header tag. So I call nav ul, I'm going to use list style, type will be none, right? And I'm going to use that to float right, display the content in the right side. So I use float right, save, let's see, as you can see. And I also use this way to display everything on there. Just a minute time, right? Then I call the nav ul ally tag and I call float left to display everything in the same line. Then I call nav ul ally anchor link and I use list style, type will be none, yes. So inside there I'm going to use text decoration will be none and color will be white, and I'm going to use padding top and bottom 2 RAM, left and right 1.5 RAM, and finally I'm going to use display block. First save that and let's see. So those are our menus, as you can see. So when you will check out this one with media, I mean developer tool, as you can see. But the issue on there, when you will check out them on developer tools, so I'm going to check out that. Inside this one page, however, my button has been hidden. So let's fix this one issue on the media query. Usage of media query, we will manage it. So I call media and inside there I'm going to use max height, right? Colon for not 500 pixel. If my viewport height less than have a 500, so I target the header and I'm going to use padding top. I have used padding top on above. I'm going to show you this one 13 RAM, so I'm going to use on there will be 7 RAM. Just a minute. So save, let's see, as you can see. So you are able to see I've used viewport height to make a responsive landing page. Very simple. So I hope you are understood as well all about the viewport height and viewport width. Mostly users using viewport height. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can create a responsive website using media query. So in earlier time we have made this one website using HTML and CSS. So this time we're gonna convert it in different mobile or tablet size. When user will open this one website on mobile device or tablet device, then who will able to see everything perfect. So this time this is not responsive, so I'm going to show you. As you can see, it's not responsive, but we will use media query to make a responsive website. So let's get started to work on that. The first thing, I'm going to create a CSS, another CSS file. So write the any name. I'm going to use mobile.css, right? Then I'm going to add this one file inside my main project. So I use link css mobile.css, but I need to use the attribute like media screen and inside there I need to assign the max width 768 pixels. When the browser size will reach on 768 pixels, then this file will load. So let's check it now, it's working or not. So I'm going to use body and I'm going to use display none. So save, let's see. As you can see, everything has been removed from the page. So it means it's working fine on this one position or this one pixel. So the first thing I'm going to remove that and open my main style.css file. Then I'm going to drag and drop this one file in the right side. Just a minute. So I will use this one on there, right? This will is a mobile device CSS and this is our original CSS file. So we're gonna check out everything inside the style.css and we will manage it on there. So the first thing we need to manage it, first I'm gonna save this one. The first thing we need to manage that the menu and also our logo. So I call, first I'm gonna show you navbar. So this is navbar h1, so we need to use this one. So I call navbar start and I'm going to use navbar close. The first thing I'm going to add on there, the navbar h1 tag, like this one. Inside the h1 tag have our logo. So the first thing I'm going to use, font size will be 20 pixel and I'm going to use text align will be center and I'm going to use float none. First I'm going to save that and let's see. As you can see, right? Then the next thing is I'm going to also add the padding, bottom will be 1 rem, right? Perfect. Then I'm going to target the navigation bar. So I use hash navbar ul comma navbar ul li. I need to select both of styles that are used inside there. As you can see, navbar ul and navbar ul li. Inside the ul have a float right and inside the li have a float left. So we need to remove that, right? So I'm going to use float none. First I'm going to save that and let's see. As you can see, right? Then the next thing we need to work on the I'm going to check that. I think everything is clear, so let's work on the showcase area. In the showcase section we need to I'm going to use showcase start, showcase close. In the showcase I need to assign the height because in the showcase area already have a height 600 pixels, so we need to decrease that. So I'm going to use height 350 pixel and I'm going to display everything in the center, means content will be appear inside the center. So the content has been appeared inside the center, but we need to fix that, right? So the next thing we need to target the content, showcase content. As you can see, I have assigned the padding top 170 pixel, but this time we need to decrease that. I use padding top will be 40 pixel. So first I'm going to save that. Let's see. but we need to decrease the font size, then you will able to see better thing. Then I'm going to target the showcase content h2 tag like this one. So inside there I have a font size will be 30 pixel. First I'm going to check that. Showcase, okay. So guys, I need to change that dot. This is a showcase class now. As you can see guys, right? I think everything is clear on there. But I think I need to decrease the height of the showcase. Okay, I call dot showcase content. Inside the showcase content have a paragraph tag, so I will change the size. So I'm going to use font size will be 18 pixel. First I'm going to save that. Perfect. Right. Okay. But why I have seen. Okay, we will manage that step by step. Don't worry, this time we just check out them. Right, perfect. Then the next thing we need to do, we need to target the button tag. So I'm gonna show you the button tag on there. Basically I already made the button tag on top, this one, and this is applied on there, but I think this is perfect. But do you want to change that, you can do that. So in my case I'll leave that. Then the next thing we need to target the about. So let's check out the about on this one. The first thing, I'm going to remove the height because the height is not important on there. So I'm going to check out this one. Perfect. Right. In large screen everything is perfect, but in small screen also have a perfect. As you can see, you just need to remove the height from the about section. Right, and also I think everything is perfect. Yes. Then the next thing is I need to target the services. So this is those are services section. So I think this will be about. I'm going to check the services star and services close. So inside the services, first I'm going to check that inside there I have a H3 and have a box, padding, everything is perfect. So I call services. First I'm gonna target the H3 span tag like this one. Inside there have a top and bottom 10 pixel padding, left and right have 20 pixel padding. So I just remove that and I call margin top will be 30 pixel. First I'm gonna save that and let's see. Right. Then I'm gonna target the box, this one box. So I use services dot box, and inside there I have a float. I just use none, and also we need to assign the width 100% of each box. So let's see. Right, also have a padding all side 45 pixel, right? But I will leave that. I'm gonna check that. I think everything is perfect on there, right? So I'll leave that default setting. Then the next thing, you have a author section, right? Inside the author, and have a contact form, right? So I go to the authors area, right? Inside the authors, I also, where it is, I'm gonna add the margin inside the showcase, not showcase, inside the inside the box. So I'm going to use margin top and bottom will be 10 pixel, left and right I'm going to use 0 pixel, because we will check that on later. So decrease the size of the each box. Then the next thing, we need to work on the author area. So author start and author will be close, right? So I target the author and authors. So inside the author I have a height 600 pixel, right? Inside the main style CSS, inside there I'm going to use that to height will be 1150 pixel, because I will arrange that. First I'm going to save that, and then the next thing, we need to target auth class. Inside the auth class have everything, every box attached on the auth class. So I call auth, and inside there I just need to use float none, and we need to also use with 100%, right? So first I'm going to save that, and let's see output of this one. As you can see, but have a bunch of space between one box and second box, right? So inside the main CSS have a 20 pixel top and bottom, and left and right have a 1 pixel, and also have a padding all side. So we're gonna use margin top will be 50 pixel. First I'm gonna save that. Let's see. Okay, it's not working on there. I think just a minute, I'm going to check that. Okay, so let's first I'm going to use that center and center cover, because this is the image, right? So I'm gonna also copy that and paste on there. Then the next thing, have auth. I'm gonna remove the height because I don't need that. So save. Let's see output of this one. Perfect, as you can see. And also I don't need the padding, right? And also I'm gonna use first I'm gonna remove this one. Everything is perfect, and I will decrease the size to 1170. I think it should be perfect. Okay, so let's see. Perfect, everything is perfect on there. Let's check it now on main screen. Perfect. Then the next thing, have I think everything is perfect on there, so I need to check that. I also remove the padding top. I think it should be perfect. No, I will use that because on there have I use margin on there. No, I will use margin. I use margin top on there. will be 50 pixel. So let's see. Okay, I think I need to remove this one. Save, and I use margin top will be 40 pixel on there. I think it should be perfect, right? Perfect, everything is perfect. Then the next thing, we need to manage this one contact section. So I call the contact, so I have a contact like this one, H3. So I just use margin top will be 30 pixel, right? First I'm going to save that. Let's see, right? And I want to make a space between our input field and our browser, so I will target this one, form group, and I just need to use margin top and bottom 0, left and right will be 5 pixel. First I'm going to save that and let's see, right? And also I want to move the button in the left side, right side. So I just call btn because I already made the btn class. So I just use margin left will be 5 pixel. Save that and let's see. Perfect. So let's check it now. Everything is perfect, right? But I think we need to decrease the size of this one font. So I made the class lead. I'm going to show you on my website, this one. So we need to use this one class inside my content section. So I call dot showcase content and dot lead class. Inside there I'm going to decrease the font size and also padding, because inside there have a top and bottom 10 pixel, left and right have a 10 pixel also. So inside this one section I use font size will be 40 pixel and I use padding all side will be 5 pixel. So first I'm going to save that. Let's see, right? As you can see, so I think everything is perfect on the perfect. So let's check it in the developer tool, right? So this is the iPad mini. So I go to above, perfect, as you can see guys, and I open iPhone Pro. So I think everything is perfect. No, inside this one section 12 Pro Max have a, so I go to my where it is, so I change to 1200. So first I'm going to save that. Let's see. Perfect, right? As you can see, so you can manage it with the help of different devices. So every device have a different screen size and different height, so you need to manage it. I just show you how you can create a website, responsive website using HTML and CSS3. So here is some mistake, but I think we need to leave this one. So I click on this one. This is a too small, but I check it in the iPhone Pro Max. Inside this device, everything is perfect on there, as you can see. But I think we need to remove the margin top on there. First I'm going to save that. Right, perfect. No, I will use margin top because I want to make a space on each, but I will use 30 pixel, So great. So I have used a simple code. Here is a simple code that are used to make a responsive website. You can use this way to create any type of website as a responsive. You just need to know how you can do that. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.